umaga din.
Hi guys! Good morning! Dito naman tayo, may tatanungin ako. Interviewin ko isang taga Bougainville, right? And also from Port Moresby. Okay, tanungin natin. Sabihin ko in English, say it in Tagalog, ha? Beautiful morning is magandang umaga. When I say beautiful morning, you say magandang umaga din. Okay. Beautiful morning.
Magandang umaga din.
Okay, very good. Okay, I say maganda ako. I will say I'm beautiful. Say maganda ako.
Maganda ako.
Okay. Gutom ako. Ha? I will say I'm hungry. Gutom ako.
Gutom man ko.
Kakain na tayo. Let's eat.
Kakain na tayo.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, we got 1 point. Okay. Bibili ako. I will buy. I will buy.
Bibili ako.
Pagkain.
Bakain.
Okay. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
That means beautiful morning or good morning. Maganda ako.
Maganda ako.
Okay. What does it mean? I'm beautiful. Okay guys, next episode na naman po tayo. Next taong tatanungin ko, iba na naman, ibang tanong. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and share my page or react, like, and comment. Bye-bye!